let's grow our other small account. As you can see here, I'm having this $2 account and I'm running at $5 equity already because I take a trade on step index. And as you can see, step index on a 4-hour time frame, it looks very bearish. The direction of the market is going down, so and you don't want to do anything apart from selling, so you just wait for the price to pull up. You can see, if you can see, the price is on a downtrend and you see the price here. All you have to do is to wait for the price to pull up at least somewhere here. When it pulls up here, you have to sell and then you ride the trend down. As you can see right here, what happens is that, as you can see, I'm going to the 1-hour time frame and you can see the market is on this downtrend, so that is respecting that trend line there I draw above. As you can see on the line chart, it's perfectly aligned, and I can also go to 30 minutes and you can see it's beautiful, and if I can also go to 15 minutes, you can see it's beautiful. It's almost hitting my TP, which is frustrating because it's too fast. And the price, all it did was, the price had just to retouch this trend line and then continue on a downtrend. Okay, this is just a retouching of the trend line. You don't want to look for buys here. All you're gonna do is look for sells. So until sells, and the price will go down, the price will go down below this, keeping that downtrend. As you can see, price is running great and don't need to be greedy. Sometimes you can also close. You can see I reached my TP already. So look at the market. Let me just go on a 5-minute time frame and let me show you how I ended this trade and what was the reason. So let me switch back to the candlesticks. The candlesticks are looking like this. As I did, again, I have seen the market was going up. So the market was going up, but in mind I bear that there is a downtrend that is bigger. So I wait for the market to get to the trend line here. But here I used a very nice trend line because I went to 1 minute. I went to 1 minute and then I took a line chart. Let me just show you something simple here. A line chart, and I also turn my phone on a landscape mode, but for the sake of this video I can't do it for now. So just show you how I did it. All I did was drawing a very perfect trend line here, right here, this 1 minute right here. Okay, let me just move it a little bit down here. And what I did was I waited for the price to reach here, and then I took my sell there. So if I switch back to the candlesticks, you can see a different thing. You can see how the price went to the trend line, and my stop loss was a bit high because I waited for the price firstly to form a bearish candlestick, which was here, but it was not really strong enough, so I have to wait for a pull up. So when I have seen something like this, I've ended a sell somewhere here. Then my stop loss was just above this high there, and it was never reached, so I took my take profit right here. You know why I did take my take profit here is because of this support here. So exactly where the market has ended, and now the market is going up. So as long as the market remains within this downtrend and didn't break above these highs, forming new highs, this high low forming new highs, then we are actually feeling good for that, and we can take our trades selling the market just right there. So it's not really that complicated. As you can see, we are closing with $7, $5 profit. As you can see, I deposit $10, withdrawal 20. Now I have $7 on my account just because I'm trading this one live, showing you exactly how I'm trading. So if you want me to make this type of videos, guys, just hit that subscribe button and also give us a comment that you like this video, so I can explain more and more on how I trade using this strategy to grow my smaller account.